Hello students, today we will discuss the general characters of phylum Ctenophora. They are also known as calm jellies or sea walnuts. Ctenophores are exclusively marine, that is, they are found only in the sea water. No freshwater species is found in ctenophores. They are radially symmetrical. Ctenophores are diploblastic, that is, they have only two germ layers, that is ectoderm and endoderm. They have tissue level of organization. The body of ctenophores bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb-plates which help in locomotion. You can see here the diagram of a ctenophore pleurobrachia. Here it has 8 comb plates with cilia and they help in locomotion. And due to the presence of these comb plates, the name comb jellies is given to the members of this phylum. Digestion in case of ctenophores is both extracellular and intracellular. Ctenophores exhibit a peculiar property of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the property of a living organism to emit light. So, this is the peculiar property of ctenophores. The body wall of ctenophores consists of outer epidermis, inner gastrodermis and middle mesoglea like that of cnidarians. Tentacles may or may not be present, but if present, they are 2 in number. In ctenophores, skeletal system, respiratory system, circulatory as well as excretory systems are absent. But the nervous system is in the diffused form as in cnidarians. That is, they possess primitive type of nervous system with a network of nerves and their processes. The arboreal end of the body, arboreal end, that is opposite end of the mouth, it bears a sense organ which is known as stetocyst, and this organ is helpful in the equilibrium and it is a characteristic feature of ctenophores. That is, the sense organ stetocyst is the characteristic feature of ctenophores. Ctenophores are hermaphrodite like that of cnidarians, that is, both the sex organs are present in a single individual, and fertilization in case of ctenophores is external. But the process of pedogenesis is well marked in ctenophores. Pedogenesis, it is the reproduction, it is the process of reproduction by sexually mature larvae without fertilization. Development in case of ctenophores is indirect and includes a ciliated spherical sidipid larva. Examples of ctenophores are pleurobrachia, which is also known as sea gooseberry, ctenoplana, etc. Thank you.